Hello, I'm Stuart from Atherstone Woodcraft, and today we're going to cut this out on the scroll saw. As you can see, it looks pretty complex really, but the first bit we have to do is the white bits is the waste, and we have to drill holes through them first to get the scroll saw blade through. So what I'll do, I'll cut all them through quickly and then I'll show you a video clip of that, and then we'll move on to the scroll saw and then we'll cut this out. I'll speed it up and show you the results at the end.